Hello, my name is Aura Pinilla. I am 42 years old. I was born in Bogota and I live in Bogota with my husband and my two daughters. Currently, I am studying business administration at UNAT. I am secretary and I worked in Universidad Nacional. I like listening to music, reading books. I love being with my family and sometimes watching TV. My family is composed by my husband and my two daughters. I hope we can a great team. I love the restaurant La Vieja Antioquia. Its location is in Suba Avenue with Boyacá Avenue. It's a restaurant typical of Antioquian cuisine and its main course is the bandeja paisa. When we have gone, we have eaten pork rinds with arepa and aguao as an entrance. The main dishes besides especially of the house is bandeja paisa and other dishes are ajiaco, patacón with stew, gratinated brisket, gratinated truth and others. The drinks are lemonade, brandy, rum, whiskey, beer and soft drinks. The restaurant has two floors and their chairs and tables are made of wood. The floors are made of wood and on the walls there are say Antioqueños that may use loud. They accompany the table with a singer who plays guitar and sings typical Colombian music. And there is a jukebox where there is typical Colombian music. The site is very nice and welcoming. You must pay debit, credit, or cash card. You could say you could celebrate with your family or friends special days and you can book with a phone call and you say how many people are going to go and when you arrive the place you at the table assigned to you. Thanks, bye bye.